fitting the Monster Sport blow-off valve cancel kit, you need to be behind the front bumper. There is two options, either you can remove the front bumper completely, or you can just release it from the top side so you have enough space to replace the standard blow-off valve with the Monster Sport one. I will not explain here the full process for removing the front bumper, but just some tips. I use some special tools to remove clips, as you could just see in the past few video fragments. And before pulling off the side of the bumper as I'm doing here, you should make sure that the headlight surround is already released on the top side. You do this by pushing the fender inwards and then pushing up the headlight garnish. This is how it looks like when you have the top side of the front bumper released. When you do so, please also watch out for the cable that is running behind the front bumper here, as the front bumper hook might be hooking around the cable. With the top side of the front bumper released, you have easy access to remove the stock blow-off valve. I opted to buy a brand new Monster Sport blow-off valve cancel kit, because the price between second hand and new was not so big. The package contains the main blow-off cancel device, which goes instead of the original blow-off valve. A small cap and a net tie wrap to ensure the cap is tightly fixed. With the provided instructions, assembling the blow-off valve cancel kit is as easy as disassembling the original blow-off valve. Most of the steps are just in the opposite order. Now let us head into the costs overview for this project. This Monster Sports blow-off valve cancel kit was bought for 10,000 yen. So if we add this on top of our previous spending of 679,500 yen, we get to a new total of 689,500 yen.